Here we have the Corsair K70 MK.2 Special Edition keyboard. It is the K70 has obviously been around, but the Special Edition, as you can see from the box, it's got quite a few things going for it. So let's open it and take a look at what's inside. Right off the bat, you'll notice the white color of the keyboard. It does tend to stand out distinctively, which is nice. I mean, some people like their keyboards to stand out. So you've got the keyboard, and then you have the warranty guide and a little more about the keyboard information. Of course, if I'm not mistaken, on the inside you'll also have the extra, this is the wrist, the armrest. So here we have the Corsair K70 MK.2 Special Edition RAPIDFIRE. As you can see, the Special Edition is the white color, the white look of this whole thing. Like most of the K70s are, not most of them, the rest of them are all black. So this one obviously stands out as the Special Edition. The first thing you'll notice when you look at this keyboard is, of course, the aluminium frame that it's got. It's quite durable, very strong, sturdy keyboard. The next thing you'll notice is it's quite low profile. If you take a look at it like this, it's a slim keyboard. It's not very thick. Furthermore, it uses Cherry MX silver keys, which themselves have very low profile, and there's only an actuation force of 45 Gs, which is much less than most Cherry MX keycaps. Furthermore, the travel distance between the keys is very little, so you will be pressing you won't be pressing the keys like as much as you would be pressing other keycaps. So basically what I mean is the amount of time it takes for the keys to reach hit the base is much less than usual. Cherry MX keys are supposedly favored for the fast typers, hence the rapid fire in the keyboard. The next thing you'll notice in the keyboard are the dedicated media keys. On the top right, you've got the stop, play, pause, fast forward, rewind, fast forward. You've got volume control and the mute button. You've got three more keys over here. I think this is I'm guessing this is the Windows lock key. This is brightness control, and this is being able to switch between the profiles that are stored on the keyboard's hardware itself. Speaking of the keycaps, these are RGB keys. This is the Corsair K70 RGB Special Edition, and as you all know, Corsair has its own RGB synchronization software, icue, and it comes with a lot of customization options on it. While the keyboard on its own is it's got a random RGB lighting setup, with icue you can take the customization to the next level, allowing for you to have separate regions on the keyboard that are lit up as you want them to. You could have fixed lighting for your media keys and fixed lighting for your function keys, and as in how you want it. You could have this Corsair logo lit up in a different light. It's really entirely up to you. The personalization options are quite vast. Next, if we take a look at the keycaps, it uses double shot PVT keycaps, so they're also quite sturdy, and you don't have to worry about scratching the letters off or them wearing out anytime soon. So that's another good thing it's got going for it. It's a thick, sturdy braided cable, and also you'll notice there's a USB pass-through. Here you've got two USB A connections, one for the keyboard itself and one for the USB pass-through. The Corsair K70 also comes with a wrist or armrest or whatever you want to call it. It looks a bit like this on the underside, and when you slide it onto the keyboard, it fits in with a nice, satisfying snap. It's quite comfy to type with. The hand placement is nice, but of course it's entirely up to personal preference. If you don't prefer using it like I don't, you can just easily take it off and keep it aside. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the Corsair K70 Special Edition RAPIDFIRE. For more, be sure to like, share and subscribe.